Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Shakera, and yes, I look like one of them ladies that's picking cotton in the field. But I'm starting out this vlog. I'm starting out this vlog. Yeah, I'm sorry, but like I was saying, I'm starting out this vlog opening some packages because your girl just love to shop. Like, she really got an issue, and the things that I got is nothing normal. Like, TikTok have me like, bitch, in a freaking chokehold. So I'm about to show you guys what I got. It's not a lot of stuff, just a couple things, nothing crazy. And guys, I'm super excited about this year because like a lot of great things have been happening to me. You guys will see those videos by now. I drop a video is going live today because I had a sponsorship by Glamnetics, and it's so crazy because I know who they are. And I think I've bought from them before, but this was probably like years ago. And then another company, which is eBay New York, like, bitch, eBay New York, like, what? And then another company reached out to me, and I can't say. You guys are gonna see that when the video come out, but I've been loving it. So this package is, as you guys will see, it says hum. I started the subscription last year. This one is just a probiotics, and it says private party for the vaginal area because we need to keep the cootie cat clean. But I've been slacking because I haven't took none yet, but I need to start. And in the package, they gave me a Caress foaming cream cleanser. Ooh, I don't know what this is about, but yeah. So now onto the Amazon package that TikTok made me buy. So these are a couple, leggings, biker shorts, whatever you want to call them, workout shorts, I don't know. So it's a pack of 3, and it's just like this. It's super ribbed. I tend to not wear shorts like this because, sis, I don't really got the body. So I don't know, but I thought these were like super cute. And it also has a zip right here. You could put your lip gloss, you could put some money, maybe your phone. But it's a pack of 3. I have a black, this is like a cream, and a lavender. This one is super cute. But yeah, and the next thing that I got is this Natureland vaginal pH test, and it has like 10 strips in it. And the last item I got is a shampoo. So I hear stylists was saying like, oh, a lot of people when they bleach their knots they use purple shampoo, but like purple doesn't cancel out orange, some shit like that. Sis was going all in, but it kind of do make sense. And I need to wash my wig. Actually, I need to go sit on the water and put it in a pot to boil. And plus I got a few more packages coming in the mail. So yeah, that's everything that I got. And I also got my pocketbook back from the dry cleaner because they had to take it to a specialist because I don't know why Louis Vuitton don't clean the bags. Like, hello. So guys, my video is officially live. If you haven't seen it already, go check it out. I went on my first solo date, and after my birthday, because my birthday is, damn, I don't even know when my own birthday. My birthday is a week after next week, the 14th, which is a Monday. I think after my birthday, I'm gonna go on another solo dates. And TikTok has been dropping a couple restaurant gems, and I've been collecting them in my notes. So yeah, guys, today is what? Today's Friday. I don't really got nothing to do. I did my lashes this morning, and that's about it. I'm currently doing laundry, and I also have my wig to wash. And I'm going out tomorrow because my friend is planning to take me out. So yeah, I think for the rest of the day, I'm just gonna chill, watch Netflix. I don't know what bag to bring tonight. I bought me a pair of gold heels off Shein, and I got this bag to go with it, but this is more of a bronze color. And then I was considering this to add the gold straps to it, but I feel like the look's not hitting, so that's out the picture. And then my new purse, I don't know, I really didn't want to do black because I feel like I always go with black purses, but I honestly don't know. I'll see. So we going to Target today. I'm actually here for diapers. Hopefully that's all I leave with, because you already know how that goes. So I just got back from Target. I didn't really do too bad. I got some stuff that I didn't really go for, but not as much as I used to. And there's some stuff in this bag that like I'm super excited about. Got a couple cereal for Maddie. Some baby Dove soap for her. And I saw these candles, this Pisces candle, and it smells so good. So good. And I also get this facial shaping razor, and it's just 3 of them. I got me a pajama pants, because Target just has the best PJs. Besides Marshall. And it didn't come with a top, it's just the bottom. And I got this mitten thing that they be using on TikTok. I wanted the one that actually looks like a glove, but this is all they had, so I just got it regardless. I had to re-up on my raw sugar, and this, y'all, bomb.com. Like, if you want that kitty to glow and look all nice and pretty, that's the one. So I got me a new razor. I got a bunch of stress rehab facial masks, because a bitch be stressing sometimes. And I got this Veet gel cream hair remover. I was looking for the Nair one, but they never have it, so I just went with that. I got this Native body wash. I don't know if you guys saw that vlog, but I had got a Native body wash, and it's actually for men, but I still do use it. Oh well. And I got I got 3 Native deodorants, because I heard so many good things about these. So I got 2 Cotton and Lily, it's sensitive, and this one is cucumber and mint. And I realized this one's aluminum free. Oh, they're all aluminum free. I also got 2 Dove deodorants, which is aluminum free, and I just love cucumber scents in anything. Some what's this again? Toothpaste. I got this mouthwash. I only use Colgate, but the girls on TikTok saying this is the best, and yeah, I just wanted to try. I got this Brazilian bear shave syrup. And also this Silk Infusion ear oil. And last, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's something for your curls. It refresh and detangles. And honestly, the reason why I got this was not for what's inside. I just wanted it for the spray bottle. So even if I don't use it, I might pour it out. But I really do like the spray bottle. Like, it's pink and it's like really cute. So that's the reason I got it. But yeah, that's everything that I got from Target. So, yep.